Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Girl Without Dimple. I am Sunehri and today we are going to discuss one of the most important facilities given by any institution or coaching classes, that is the mentorship. So talking about the mentorship provided by Byju's, the mentorship covered by Byju's is of two types. The first type is covered through phone call and the second type is covered through email. The mentorship service on phone call is available from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. all day of the week. In case the mentorship is not operational on a particular day, you will be sent an email beforehand about the holiday. Talking about email, you will be given two emails. One is for all your academic queries and the second one is related to all your doubts regarding the portal or the tablet or the webinar or current affairs related issue. Now, talking about the type of mentors provided on phone call. So, on phone call, you will be provided three types. So, the first mentor is the customer support mentor who will deal with all the technical issues related to the tablet. The second type of mentor is the general subject mentor. They will deal with all your basic doubts related to any current topic or any subject of your choice. He or she will have a good knowledge over all the subjects in general. Now the third type of mentor is the subject expert mentor or the subject specific mentor. This is the most important aspect of mentorship provided by Byju's, as in my case. What happens is, as the name suggests, the subject expert mentors will be dealing with a specific subject in which they have their own expertise. So what happens that if in case the general subject mentor is unable to clear your doubts regarding any topic, you can ask them to connect you to the subject expert mentor who will give you a detailed explanation and analysis of your doubt and will try to resolve all your doubts regarding that particular subject. Also, you do not have to repeat your doubts to the subject expert mentor. The general subject mentor will pass on your doubts to the subject expert and the subject expert will clear all your doubts. So I would like to share one experience of mine. So what happened was, I had a doubt on isobars. After completing the tablet video, I felt that I need to understand it more. So this was the diagram in which I had some minor problems. I was unable to understand this diagram completely. So I first had a talk with the general mentor. He helped me to clear some of my doubts, but I still wanted a deeper understanding of this diagram and this whole topic of isobars. So the subject expert mentor had already received my doubt from the general subject mentor. He helped me to clear this diagram, to clear all the doubts regarding isobars. So I had a very good experience with the mentorship program, as in my case it is not possible for me to join any coaching institute. So one of the major problem which arises when you try to do self-study is you need someone to guide you all the way through and help you with your doubts. And in this case, I was very satisfied how Byju's offered the mentorship services. Apart from your academic doubts, this mentorship program also covers some other areas in which you would need guidance in this whole journey of your preparation. The first thing is the doubt clearing or explaining any topic or subject elaborately. Second is planning a strategy. We all know the importance of planning a strategy before the preparation of any examination. Different people have different routine and they have different preferred study time as well. So what you can do is you can talk to your mentor and ask for a separate strategy. Third is evaluating your unit test results and answers. We often give tests, we get the marks, but one big problem we face is we do not understand where is that problem where we are lacking, due to which we were unable to score higher than what we could have done. You can ask your mentors to guide you to how to enrich your answers and help you and how you can score better in the examinations. Fourth, they have your profile updated. Whatever questions you've asked in the past, whatever doubts you had, whatever changes you asked to be made in your profile were updated from time to time. They also keep a track of your results, of your improvement. You can ask them about how your growth is going There are times when we feel demotivated or we lack the momentum that is required to keep up the pace of the preparation. And during these time, you can contact the mentorship for motivation or counseling. Also, they keep calling you from time to time to just have a counseling session of how is your journey going and all. So this was all about the mentorship program provided by Byju's. If you have any other doubts regarding Byju's or UPSC, you can ask me in the comments box. If you have any other doubts regarding the mentorship program, UPSC, Byju's or anything related to all this, you can contact me on my Instagram also. My Instagram ID is girlwithoutdimple_. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel to never miss an update. We come to the end of this video. Sunehri ka hasta la vista. Goodbye.